Shiba Inu Coin may be expanding, and it may be expanding at a pace that we haven't actually anticipated yet, as long as it maintains levels of support around 1,000 points per coin. The Layer 2 blockchain is available. There are games with AAA visuals and the Metaverse, respectively. We have franchises here. Well, John Richmond is joining us. Cold storage wallets might then be introduced. Since cold storage wallets could be very beneficial for the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem, we'll discuss their advantages and disadvantages from two different angles. However, we question who, at this point, is the target consumer and who will actually profit from the sale of these cold storage wallets. We'll also be looking at a Metaverse update because there will be a significant one here soon. I also think that, look, even though the Metaverse might not be the primary factor in Shiba Inu Coin's price right now, it has the potential to significantly improve the ecosystem for Shiba Inu Coin as well as the coin's value over time if it is properly implemented and attracts millions of people worldwide. Therefore, let's talk about these two topics, and if you're interested, let's start now. Let's get going. What's going on, everyone? Clay here. To make 2023 the best year ever, I'm here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Become one of us and a bro. Every single day, we are here. Together, we are expanding our portfolios. Look, if you've never invested before, you have no idea where or how to acquire cryptocurrency stocks. You received a link in the summary below. Setting up an account with Webull is quite straightforward. You guys receive at least 6 free stocks for any deposit, up to. Free shares in a $1 cryptocurrency trade will get you $5 in free cryptocurrency. You can obtain Qcoin and finance down there if you want cryptocurrency-specific exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short leverage, and other wonderful stuff. The more you trade, the more you're going to make, according to Qcoin and Finance, which rewards the most active traders. However, if you hold on those exchanges, please be aware that it will be viewed as a loan to those exchanges. Consider storing it in a cold storage or D5 wallet if you want to turn it into an asset and reduce the risk of doing so on a centralized exchange. On the surface, it appears like this is a terrific idea and might be extremely cool for Shiba Inu Coin holders. Guys, we actually have some pretty exciting news. You have to keep in mind that they will be sold, so if you look a little further, it really makes me wonder who the beneficiary is in something like a cold storage wallet. Who is the target customer or target audience? Holders for Shiba Inu coins. So who benefits from this? Undoubtedly the people who are selling the wallets. The creation group. Shiba Inu coin holders will once more be used by the development team as a means of payment. They sold us some bone. Leashes were sold to us. They provided us with Shiboshis. We purchased wellies from them. John Richmond of the NFT is working on a project. We purchased the Bugatti messenger bags and group luggage from them. They might now start offering us cold storage wallets. Let's give this a listen. A personalized Shib cold wallet will be released by Shiba Inu creators. The next Shiba Inu cold wallet will reportedly have intriguing technologies and a unique design, according to a recent update on the Sharium Discord server. The introduction of numerous cutting-edge technologies to improve the operation of the Shiba ecosystem has shown it to have considerable promise. I do agree with that now. As I mentioned, we have the Metaverse, Shibarium, the possibility of cold storage wallets arriving here, wellies, and genre. You can invest in a wide range of components of the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem right now. But it really makes me wonder if we're investing or if we're just consumers. If developers start to see us as consumers rather than holders, or as opposed to a community that wants their asset to flourish, suddenly that is what occurs. They change from being the benefactors to being the consumers. We must keep in mind that the holders of the Shiba Inu coin ought to gain something from it. The growth of everything else does not depend on the money held by holders of Shiba Inu coins. Rather, everything else depends on the growth of Shiba Inu coins. Please remember that, and do not think that the developers are the only ones who should gain from this. Every single SHIB holder should gain something from this. The most recent development is that a special cold wallet created especially for Shiba Inu may soon be introduced to the community. The team is currently holding general Ask Me Anything sessions with exchanges and CertiK, the cryptocurrency project's auditor, according to a recent announcement made on the Shibarium Discord server. It also states that the cold storage wallet is anticipated to have cutting-edge technology and an eye-catching design. We don't need to get into much more detail about that right now, but let's consider this for a moment. If the coin style is Shiba Inu, it is obviously aimed at owners of Shiba Inu coins. If it is intended only for owners of Shiba Inu coins, then this group will undoubtedly receive it. Not adding any additional funds. Not including any new holders in the ecosystem of the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin holders paying the development team money rather than building the ecosystem in a way that attracts new users. Therefore, having a Shib cold storage wallet to store your Shiba Inu coin for a long time is nice and cool. However, it does cause me to wonder who will benefit from this situation, and it is clear that the developers are the beneficiaries. Shiba Inu ecosystem developers will be the ones to unlock the Rocket Pond Hub's mysteries after that. The Rocket Pond's mysteries will soon be revealed, according to the Shiba Inu Metaverse team. The Shib the Metaverse project's team promised that the Rocket Pond's mysteries would soon be revealed. Only a few days remain for the Rocket Pond Hub's alpha preview, the Metaverse team tweeted today. Hey Shiv Army, there are only a few days left until the reveal of Rocket Pond, according to a tweet from the official Shiba Inu Twitter account. We'll also choose a few Metaverse-related questions to address on our new blog as we draw the contest to a close. Here's what you need to keep in mind regarding the Metaverse. It will take a very long time because it is still in the development stage. I like how they are, I guess, sort of maintaining communication with the community. I'm not sure if Marcy Jastro or anyone else decided to do that, but I do like that they are making an effort to maintain contact with the owners of Shiba Inu coins. If you guys feel inclined, you can retweet their opening message on MV. You can win one of 10 NFT lands for Shib the Metaverse, according to Shib's Twitter account, which I believe is the one promoting this promotion. So if you guys are interested in that competition, go check that out. Nevertheless, another hub in Shib the Metaverse has been unveiled. It is hoped that this will keep people interested, excited, and talking about Shiba Inu Coin and Shib the Metaverse. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Do you anticipate Shib the Metaverse with anticipation? And second, seeing that you can store Shiba Inu coins on any cold storage wallet, do you intend to purchase one of such wallets? Tell me what you think down there. Naturally, that button over there is still red. Please click on it. Sign up for the channel. Subscribe to us.